Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV with another quick tip. I'm going to go over why it's important to routinely check and replace your engine air filter.
Your vehicle needs air to run, and the filter protects the engine from things like dirt, dust, and insects. If it gets too dirty, it can affect performance, fuel efficiency, emissions, and even your engine life, so it's important to replace it when the time comes. Like any filter, make sure you get the one made for your make and model of vehicle. The wrong filter won't fit or work properly. You can buy disposable ones or pay a little more for a reusable one that you can wash and then put back in. The location will vary depending on the vehicle, but generally the engine filter is near the front by the grille. You can always check your owner's manual if you're having trouble finding it. To get to the filter, you'll need to remove the filter housing. Some will have screws or bolts, while others will just have a few clips that you need to open. You may even need to disconnect the air intake to make the process easier. Once you have that open, remove the filter and inspect it. If it's dirty, replace it. This is also a good time to clean out the filter housing. Make sure to put the new filter in the right way or it won't work properly. Close the housing back up, and that's it. You've replaced your engine air filter. It's recommended you check it at least once a year or about every 20,000 kilometers. Although if you do a lot of driving in the city or in dusty conditions, it would probably be a good idea to check it a little more often. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other quick tips.